Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we are from Arbee Agency. So you already saw the teaser for our campaign. So today we will explain to you the more detail about our campaign in WRP Coco Splash. But before that, let us introduce ourselves. We are from Arbee Agency. My name is Gq Situmeang as a executive, and my partners.
My name is Bayu Permana as a creative.
My name is Shalsabila as social media specialist.
My name is Juliyanti as copywriter.
My name is Amelia, is strategic planner.
Okay, let's continue. We begin with Amelia.
Okay, this is development of packaged beverage product in Indonesia. First, grow by 3 until 4% in 2020. The growth of packaged drink always occurs target at 10% in the following year. 2% stagnant growth in 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. 2% growth at beginning of 2021. Diet drink developed in Asia Pacific since 2006. Drink with body weight control and burn calorie have increased tremendously in Asia Pacific. What is WRP Coco Splash? WRP stands for Weight Rejuvenation Program. Bayu Nutrifood Indonesia 2016, WRP produced Coco Splash, a packaged drink containing coconut water, appear to complement women's healthy lifestyle because WRP Coco Splash has many benefits. WRP Coco Splash content. Coconut water can replace body ions and rejuvenate the skin because it can perform a detoxification that treats and protect the skin from UV rays. Vitamin C as an antioxidant and brightens the skin. Soybean powder, which is rich isoflavone. Grape concentrate to moisturize the skin, maintain heart healthy, improve blood circulation, and prevent dehydration. L-carnitine as fat burner, which help the body shaping process. For the next will be explained by Riana.
Okay, thank you, Suci. My name is Riana, and before we did some research on journal, website, and product packaging, and we also made Google form, and this is the result. Inside problem by product. WRP Coco Splash must be consumed within 24 hours after the packaging is open, and then sedimentation often occurs in products due to coconut's natural ingredients. By consumer, 58.1% of respondents didn't know about Coco Splash variant yet, and then 80.6% of respondents state that they have never tried WRP. By direct competitor, until now, the isotonic beverage top brand is still led by Pocari Sweat and Maison. Pocari Sweat as the most memorable isotonic drink brand or top of mind. Next. Okay, the next is insight opportunities by product. Replace the iron in the body, rejuvenate the skin, and help the body shaping process, and can be consumed by anyone, anytime, and anywhere. By consumer, 80.9% of respondents know WRP, and 83.9% of respondents state that they want to try WRP Coco Splash. By direct competitor, WRP Active Coco Splash is an isotonic drink contains sweat burner that other competitor didn't have. That's all from me. The next will be explained by Risma.
Thank you, Riana. Next, the objective WRP Coco Splash. Number 1, increase public awareness about WRP Coco Splash product. Number 2, making WRP Coco Splash as a friend in effective during the COVID-19 pandemic and a friend for iftar as well as sahur in the month of Ramadan. Next, campaign WRP Coco Splash. Hashtag together do it with WRP Coco Splash. This campaign was obtained from identifying the benefits and roles of WRP Coco Splash. During the pandemic in Ramadan, we need more ions because of fasting the body is susceptible for virus, weakness, and lack of energy. Together with WRP Coco Splash, bring back the enthusiasm for carrying out effective in Ramadan. Fresh with WRP Coco Splash. So the next will be explained to Dava Bayu Permana.
Okay, I will explain about who is the targeting audience in this campaign. Segmentation, demography, teenager until adult woman, with middle until upper social class. Psychography, woman who likes isotonic drink and diet drink. Geography, Indonesia or national. Targeting, women who are undergoing a diet program and want to drink a diet drink that is low in calories. Women who have a lot of activity and exercise. Positioning, coconut water drink that contain a fat burner to help increase fat burning. And this tone manner, for the theme we use for the campaign is healthy, spirit, and confident. For the font, we choose Veneer LT 65 medium bold and italic because we think this font has full all three themes. The next is the color. For color, we use soft green, soft cream, and white as the base color because they are suitable for test WRP product. Next will be explained by Elhaiza.
Baik, thank you, Bayu. Okay, I will explain you the detail about our campaign. Awareness campaign together do it with WRP Coco Splash. So this is the first we're going to the objective. It's to increase selling and awareness product WRP Coco Splash. And the situation in this campaign is Ramadan during pandemic. Get back fit with WRP Coco Splash, a drink that then restore ions and preserve your beautiful body. So in this campaign, we use paid influencer Pevita Pierce. She is models. She likes sport and live with a healthy life. So that's so match with our product that diet drink. And then how to reach the audience? We use the social media. There are Instagram ads, YouTube ads, Facebook. That's all for the distribution. And the last is our microsite, the contents and all of the posts we use in that social media is to get audience to join our TikTok campaign. Share your moment with WRP Coco Splash together do it. Okay, in this campaign we will have audio visual. So this is the mind mapping. Our talent, Pevita Pierce, have a character healthy, sporty, active, and charming. And the audio we use in this audio visual is narrator by Thailand, pop upbeat music, uplifting music, noise of city, sounds effect, drinking, bread, roasted, azan. And the visual, first overcrowded city in the afternoon and people are not powered up. Talent does the small workout. Talent is running in the afternoon. Then talent is start and drink WRP Coco Splash products. And the last animation WRP Coco Splash. And the message in this audiovisual is first, doing fasting even in the midst of the pandemic and routines must continue. Second, losing ions cause the body to become less excited. The third, WRP Coco Splash can restore lost ions. For keep going activities, live healthy, and the body is maintained. So the whole audiovisual is like the teaser we perform in the first, right? Okay. So next, we're going to the mood board and the color palette. You can see in the screen. So the mood we use in that audiovisual is freedom, active, and sporty. So we're going to the storyboard. For the audiovisual, the duration is 60 seconds in the outdoor street city with the sound pop upbeat and at the afternoon. So I will read the storyboard. In the crowded city, the atmosphere of Jakarta in the afternoon after work, in Ramadan, and in the middle of the pandemic, everyone looks lame and lackluster. So this is the active girl. The one talent, which is Pevita Pierce, seemed still excited and energetic. She was exercising like a light workout in the park. And then this is the together do it part. When doesn't resound, the teller stopped working and brought up his WRP Coco Splash drink. But at the time, she met another woman who looked limp and offered her a WRP Coco Splash drink. And then she giving a drink, and then the woman drinks and then becomes fresh. So the last animated product knowledge, and then the talent close up, and she said, "It's time to pay more attention to others. Let's together create meaningful Ramadan, fulfill your iconic needs during the fasting month, and keep your body beautiful and fit even in the midst of a pandemic by drinking WRP Coco Splash at dawn or drinking. Let's join together do it. Share your moment with WRP Coco Splash challenge on TikTok. For more info, please check our social media. Happy fasting, marhaban ya Ramadan." So it's like that. And then the mock-up design will be explained again with Prismala Juliyanti.
Thank you, Eliza. So this is mockup design content 13 April to 13 May. First, own media in Instagram post. In the design, show the product WRP Coco Splash. With the caption, we use hashtag together do it and WRP Coco Splash. Next. The second is on media in Facebook page WRP Diet. You can see the caption. And so the call to action is, what are you waiting for? With just one product like this, you can get many benefits. Let's try it. Next, paid media. We choose our influencer Pevita Pierce, post our photo and our product in her personal account. Then for the caption, she explains she likes the product. And the last, this is earn media for the TikTok challenge, hashtag share your moment. In the design for invite people to join this challenge. So that's for content. For the next content, the Bayu Permana will be explained.
Thank you, Rismala. Okay, then mockup design, paid media for Instagram ads, or make content that is uploaded on Instagram stories and product can be purchased by swiping up. Next there is also a paid media, namely YouTube ads. Next slide. On media, this is an explain of a design for the website www.wrp.com. Next to the earn media, namely Instagram testimonial, that contain their experience of trying WRP product uploaded on Instagram story WRP. And next will be explained by Amelia.
And timeline WRP Coco Splash. For our own social media, we will make sure that our social media will always active, posting or replying chat while the campaign. For the paid media, we will use Instagram ads and YouTube in April. And Pevita Pierce will be our ambassador for full this 1 month campaign. The last for the TikTok challenge will be held on 20 April until 30 May, and the Instagram testimonial will post around 1 until 13 May.
Okay, that's all our presentation. Thank you very much. Hope you like it our campaign, and for more information you can email us at arbeeagency@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.